Picture this. Tom is sitting in a job interview. He practiced this exact moment in the shower that morning, out loud twice. The question comes, tell me about a time you solved a difficult problem. And Tom knows the answer. He has a great story, a really good one.
So what happened?
He said, yes, I have done that before. 2 words of actual content. The interviewer waited, smiled politely, moved to the next question.
Oh no.
Tom didn't get the job, not because his English was bad, not because his story was bad, because in that exact second, his brain hit a wall and nothing came out.
If that made you a little uncomfortable, good, because today we're taking that wall apart piece by piece.
Hey, welcome back to Speak English Flow. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mohin. And today's topic is the thing nobody talks about in English class. What actually happens in your brain in the 3 seconds before you're supposed to speak.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to do in those 3 seconds. So the next time it's your turn to talk, you actually talk.
Okay, I'm in. So what's actually going on in Tom's brain in that moment?
Think about your phone when the internet is slow. That little spinning circle just loading, loading, loading.
The buffering wheel of doom.
Exactly. That's what's happening inside your head. You're not out of words, you're buffering. Your brain is trying to load grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and don't sound stupid, all at the same time on a connection that's too slow for that much data.
So it's not that the information isn't there, it just can't load fast enough.
Right. And here's the good news. You don't fix buffering by adding more data. You fix it by sending less data faster. That's the whole game today.
Okay, show me how it works.
Let's go to a video call. Diego's on a team call and his manager asks, Diego, do you think we'll hit the deadline? Diego's actual thought is complicated. Yes, but only if marketing sends the files today and no one's confirmed that yet.
That's a lot to say.
Way too much to load all at once, so his brain panics and he just says yes, when he meant yes if.
And now everyone thinks the deadline's safe.
Exactly. Here's the fix. You don't need the full sentence. You need the first 3 words fast. Yes if marketing. That's it. That's enough to keep the door open. The rest can follow.
So instead of building the whole sentence before you speak, you just open with whatever's true and small.
Exactly. Let's practice that opener right now. Repeat after me. Yes if.
Yes, if.
I think so, but.
I think so, but.
Those 4 words alone can save you in almost any meeting on Earth.
Okay, that works for meetings. What about something smaller, like ordering coffee?
Maria's at the counter. She's already rehearsed it in her head 3 times. Hi, can I please get a medium iced coffee with oat milk? And while she's still rehearsing, the barista's just standing there, waiting.
The line is judging her in real time.
In her head, yes. The truth is, nobody's timing her, but she's stuck polishing a sentence that's already good enough.
So what should she do instead?
Drop the rehearsal. Say the first 3 words out loud the second you think of them. Can I get, and let the rest finish itself while you're already talking.
Wait, just start before you're ready?
Yes, your mouth is actually faster at finishing sentences than your brain is at planning them. Try it. Repeat after me. Can I get a medium iced coffee?
A medium iced coffee.
See? You didn't need the perfect sentence in your head first. You just needed to start.
Okay, but what happens when you start a sentence and then completely blank out in the middle?
That happened to Sara. New neighbor, first conversation. So, where are you from originally? Sara starts answering, and halfway through, her brain just goes silent.
That's the worst feeling.
It is. But here's the secret. You don't need a perfect ending. You need a rescue line. Something like, sorry, give me a second, or how do I say this?
So instead of standing there in silence, you say something that buys you time.
Exactly. And it sounds completely natural because native speakers use rescue lines constantly too. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Sorry, give me a second.
Sorry, give me a second.
How do I put this?
How do I put this?
Now, silence isn't scary anymore. It's just a normal pause with words in it. Last one, Priya. She's recording a voice message for a friend abroad. Records it, hates it, deletes it. Records again, 5 times. By the 6th try, she gives up and just doesn't send anything at all.
So, what's the actual problem there?
She's treating a voice note like a final exam. It's not. It's a message to a friend. Done, sent, real. Beats perfect and deleted every time.
So, the goal isn't a flawless recording. The goal is just pressing send.
Exactly. One take, send it. Repeat after me. Okay, this isn't perfect, but I'm sending it.
Okay, this isn't perfect, but I'm sending it.
Say that to yourself before any message you've been sitting on for too long.
Okay, those 4 are great, but I keep thinking of more situations where this happens.
It's everywhere once you notice it. Bargaining at a market and freezing on the number, introducing yourself at an event and forgetting your own opening line, disagreeing with someone in a group and just going quiet instead.
Same wall every time.
Same wall, and now the same 3 tools work in all of them. Start small, drop the rehearsal, keep a rescue line ready.
So, is there one thing that ties all of this together?
There is. Every single tool today is built on one idea. You don't need the whole sentence loaded before you start. You need the first few words said out loud while the rest is still buffering.
Speak while it loads, not after.
Exactly that.
So here's Tom, back in that interview with these tools. Same hard question. This time,
This time he says, let me think for a second. Actually, yes, there is a good example. Rescue line, then the real answer. Same English ability, completely different outcome.
that's the whole episode, really. Not better English, just a faster start.
So here's your practice for today. Pick one real conversation you're avoiding right now. A message, a call, anything. And just open with 3 words. Don't finish it in your head first. Just start.
Record yourself doing it right now before you watch another video. One try, send it.
Drop your 3 opening words in the comments below. We want to see what you started today.
See you next time on Speak English Flow.
Don't wait for the perfect sentence. Just start it. Bye for now.